Hey Carrie, it's Tracy. I just wanted to show you how you can make individual assignments for students that is maybe a little bit easier than making a copy in your Google Drive every time that you would like to. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm in my OTUS and I'm going to go into assessments. Okay. I'm going to go to create assessment. I'm going to go to rubric. I'm going to title this wrap practice. I'm going to say it's an assignment, and my grading scale I can use remote learning, K through 5 or points. Click OK. Click next. Okay. I'm going to title maybe my descriptor is reading response and writing. Okay, I don't have to link the standards, but if you wanted to, you could. Then I'm going to go to choose file down here. I'm going to go into my Google Drive, and I made a document called Wrap Practice in my Google Drive. There it is. I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to click Save. And right here is where I'm going to say make a copy for each student. Okay, and then I'm going to click Save. Okay, and then up here I'm going to go to Assign. Oh, I guess I do have to oh no, I can. And then I can select the classes that I'm going to send it to. So, and if you are just doing this through remote learning, maybe I'm going to do somebody in 1C's homeroom class. And then I'm going to assign it to deselect all. And then I'm just going to pick the people that maybe I would like to send it to. So maybe I'm going to send it to Autumn and Jace and Ramen. Okay. I'm going to put my due date in here. Okay. And I'm going to let them do this many times, maybe, because they can go into it many times if they want to. And then I can write my instructions. Please complete, excuse the background noise. Please complete this document. Okay. I'm going to go to allow multiple temps because then maybe if they're doing it in bits and pieces, or if you give them feedback and you say, oh, try this again, it didn't work, it didn't really work. And you can assign, does it a locked assessment or not? That just depends on what you would like. And then I'm going to go to the assign. I would click assign. I'm not going to assign it because then they would all get it, but that's how you could easily make a document and share to students. Then in your directions for the day, just make sure you tell kids to go to the assessments tab rather than the lessons tab. That's just one way of making a copy for individual students. That's a little bit easier than going into your Google Drive and making lots of copies. While I have you here, I also would like to show you that there's this thing called Flippity, and I'm going to be sending this out to the whole staff. Nadine just shared it with me, but it was really cool. It has all these, it's just a way to turn a Google spreadsheet into a set of online flashcards or other cool stuff. And so I was looking at the Flippity Easter egg hunt, the template, And then I just went in here, I made a copy, and then it gives you the clues. So I could make clues in here for sight words or a question to a book, and then I could add a hint, and then I give the answer over here, and you would just edit this document. Okay. And then it gives you options that you can change, and then you get the link right here to share your link. Okay, and there's also troubleshooting, but what it is I'm going to go into the demo to show you, is the kids like click on an egg, and then it has a question, and then they type in their answers. I still have to play around with it a little bit, but I thought it was kind of a fun, cool activity for you to do, or something new to learn about. We'll try to get more information on how to use this Flippity, but I thought, hey, it was a cool find, and I thought of you guys when you had mentioned that you were looking for other tools for teaching sight words and everything like that. So I will send you other information, but that's all I have for now. Hope the OTUS creating an assessment and a document for individual students was helpful. Have a great day.